Have you ever wanted to create your own music but felt overwhelmed by the options out there? Don't panic because today I got a solution for you. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can create your own song even without having knowledge of music. Stick with me to the end of this video because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be learning something amazing using just one simple tool. Is that not amazing? I'll be right back. Welcome back, Echo Fam. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Innocent. I'm always here in bringing you the best tips and tricks on how you can create amazing content. Imagine creating amazing tracks right from your phone without having any musical experience. And the best part, it is completely free. Whether you are a content creator looking for a background music, or you are a broadcaster needing a unique soundtrack, or someone who just loves music and want to have his or her own music, I'm here for you. In this tutorial, we are going to explore the world of AI music creation using only one simple tool, but yet a powerful one. I will guide you step by step on how you can use this powerful tool. This tool is super easy to use but deliver a professional quality result. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to create a music that is truly yours. I mean truly yours. Ready to use this in your videos, streams, broadcasts, or any other project you can think of. So grab your phone, get ready to unleash the inner musician as we dive into the magic of AI music creation. Let's get ready and make some amazing music together. So guys, welcome back. But please, before we dive in, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me well by subscribing to this channel. Always remember to turn on your notification bell and try to hit on your like button so that YouTube can always recommend the video to other people who will be needing it also. So let's dive in. Like I told you before, we're going to make use of one simple tool, which is go to your search engine and search for Suno AI. Like, look at it over here. We're going to be clicking on it, Suno. So this is our Suno AI. Click on it. So guys, this is like our studio. This is where the whole magic will be done. We all remember that before you go to studio to sing a song, you must have written your song. So we are going to be asking AI to write a song for us. So, but we are going to be making use of another tools. Go to your app store, which is Capilot. So go to your app store. We're going to be searching for Copilot, not Capilot, sorry, Copilot. So look at it here. I've already installed this on my phone. So if you have not installed it, you will see a place where you can install. Click on install to install. So it's already installed on my phone. So I can now open this Copilot. Look at the app. So here, this is where you'll be writing your song. This is where you'll be asking AI to write a song for you. So let's input our prompt because I've already written a prompt. So let's input it here. So this is the prompt. I'm a content creator based in Nigeria and I need help writing an Afro hip-hop song for my channel, Echo Brief TV. Our focus is on teaching people how to create amazing content across various social media platforms, including Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. So we're going to be clicking on enter. So this is it. So we'll be copying from here. Let's copy from here, from this intro. We're going to copy from this intro. Let's highlight from this intro to this chorus today. Okay, let's copy it. So we'll be going back to our Suno to paste this. So when you get your Suno, click on create. Look at it here down. Click on it. So turn this your custom button on. Turn it on. So when you turn it on,
paste the song you've written here. So we're going to be pasting the song here, the lyrics here. So look at it here, guys. So what kind of music do we want to produce? This is the style of music. So in this style of music will be, let's say, Afro hip hop. So our title of music should be, let's just say, Cont Afro. You can just write any title you want music to be. So let's just say the content should be content. So let's just say Cont Afro. Let's wait for it to create song for us. So guys, it will be generating 2 songs at a go. So let's wait for the wonderful magic. Let's wait for it. So it's done creating this song for us. So guys, listen to this wonderful song. We're going to be listening to the first and the second one. So let's listen to the first one.
Brief TV, where creators rise. Let's take this journey together. From the first click to the final edit, we hustle hard, no time to regret it. Creating magic every single day. On Facebook, Insta, YouTube, we slay. We're the content kings and queens, living out our wildest dreams. Echo brief, we lead the way, inspiring the world every single day. Late nights, early mornings.
Guys, this is wonderful. Let's listen to the second one.
Where creators rise. Let's take this journey together.
From the first click to the final edit, we hustle hard, no time to regret it. Creating magic every single day. On Facebook, Insta, YouTube, we slay. We're the content kings and queens, living out our wildest dreams.
Can use this song
brief, we lead the way, inspiring the world every single day. Early mornings we grind, with passion and vision we shine. Facing challenges we never back down. In this digital world we wear the crown.